Off to school you go.
You missed the toilet either.
Did she?
Hit me on the floor, yeah.
Oh no, that's okay. Daddy will clean it.
Yeah, he'll clean it.
Alright, get your shoes. Ate.
It happens.
You don't want to clean the toilet? Daddy's cleaning it for you. Here. Put your shoes on.
I'm ready for stuff.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's my hug?
Where's Mum's hug? Isla! Bye!
Love you.
Where's Isla's hug? Give Isla a hug.
Hindi.
Bye, Isla!
Bye, Alo. Ate's going.
Bye, Isla. We're going. See ya.
Seryoso yarn? Walang goodbye-goodbye sa ate at daddy, ha? Sa lubong ang kilay, eh. Ate is in school!
It's funny.
It's so funny. Vietnamese coffee tayo. Nilagyan ko siya ng maraming milk this time. But I still get that Vietnamese coffee taste. Sarap talaga nito eh. Ay, biyog-biyog. Kainin ko yung cheesecake na natira kagabi. And ito. And that's my breakfast. Breakfast tayo habang masaya si Dudong. Tapos na siya mag-breakfast eh. And then, try ko mag-edit. And then, we will start our work day. Na-load ko na yung dishwasher. Laundry na lang. But, yeah, breakfast muna ako, tas laundry after. First load of laundry is done. Nasampay ko na din. Second load is going. Naka-edit din ako, guys. And it's only 10:39 ng umaga. Whew. Plano ko pang umalis today. Aalis kami ni Arlo. Kaya pa ba namin today? But, I need to get stuff ready for this little girl that I feel like is gonna come out soon. Ay, hinihingal ako kasi nagsampay ako. Agoy, bakit si Arlo? Bilisan na natin. Bihisan ko yun si Arlo. Alis tayo. Parang nag-iinit yung dito ko. Yung dito ko. Yung dito sa kaibabaan. Huy, snake ka dyan. I already gave you snake.
I'll show you, Mom.
You'll show me?
Show me.
What happened to your head? Did you put snake there?
No.
Yes, you did. You did, didn't you? Oh no, is that snake?
Yes.
You and Mommy will go out. Are you ready?
I'll go out.
Yeah. Yeah, alis tayo, boy. Para hopefully, on the way back, matulog ka. Pupunta kami ng Target at saka Baby Bunting.
What's your name, Mom?
You show me. Punta tayong Baby Bunting, guys. Bili ako ng capsule. Kasi yun na lang yung kulang namin. Yung iniisip kasi ni Dan sana, bibili siya ng second hand. Mommy will get your clothes, B. So you can change and we can go. No more snake. I already gave you snake. Okay, sige. Pag-usapan natin to ng maayos. Kasi you can't have any snakes. No more snake. I already gave you some. Dalawa pa nga yung binigay ko sa'yo. Ha? You'll show me. Show me. Surprise? That was the surprise. I gave you 2 snakes. Listen to me. Look at Mama. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Wala naman tang Mickey Mouse. We don't have any Mickey Mouse anymore and I'm not joking as well. We ran out. Surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah, wait. Let's put clothes on you. Okay na to. Mag-sunscreen na lang ako at mag-lipstick. Kasi, para makaalis agad tayo. Surprise. I'm not giving you surprise, Alo. Yeah, strawberry. Strawberry lollipop. Strawberry lollipop. Banana.
So it's done.
Stegosaurus.
That's over.
Alright. First stop. Baby bunting tayo guys kasi yun yung mas importante. Bili tayong capsule. I am 35 weeks and 2 days today. And ibang-iba talaga tong pregnancy na to guys. Kung i-compare ko sa 2 previous ones, ibang-iba talaga to. Naalala ko yung mga ganitong weeks, hindi ko pa feeling na manganganak ako eh. Ngayon parang anytime talaga. Feeling ko talaga anytime manganganak na ako. Sumasakit bigla yung likod, tapos yung baba. And yun yung na-feel ko nung pa-labor na ako eh. Kaya nga akala ko talaga nung last week lalabas na talaga siya. Niready na namin yung mga tao. Dan, tinext niya yung kambal niya kasi nung nagpo-false labor ako last week, nung nagpapak ako, wala pa si Sharon nun. Eh, yung plano namin is si Sharon yung syempre iiwan sa mga bata kapag nasa hospital na ako. Wala pa, so tinext namin yung kambal niya. And buti yung kambal niya nakatira lang close by. Tapos sabi niya, yeah, we're ready anytime if kailangan nyo kami. Alam mo yun? Anyway, we're going to Baby Bunting. We will buy capsule. So, hindi ko natuloy yung sabi ko kanina. Magsa-second hand capsule sana kami. Titingin-tingin si Dan ng second hand one sa marketplace. Atat na atat kasi siyang ibenta yung capsule namin. Kasi, alam niyo naman kami, ayaw namin nagsusstore ng mga malalaking bagay. Yung capsule malaki yun eh. So as soon as we transitioned Arlo into a proper car seat na ganyan, we got rid of the capsule. And just to get rid of it, Dan sold it for like $50. And I got that one for like almost 600 ata yun. 600, 700, hindi ko na alam. Hindi niya alam kung magkano yung binayaran ko. Yeah, binenta niya ng 50. So, obviously, sold agad-agad. And now, yung ine-expect niya na makikita niya is ganun kabago sa marketplace, na ganun pa din kaganda, like nung binenta namin yung amin. Ang tsatsaka ng mga nasa market. Hindi naman tsaka, pero old. So, sabi ko kay Dan, bili na lang tayo ng bago. Buti pumayag. So, bili ako ng bago. Kahit na hindi na same nung brand nung last time. Kasi we will only use it for 6 months. Yung capsule is yung from infant to 6 months. Yung pwede mong i-transfer sa pram. Ganun. Na kapag tulog si baby, hindi mo na kailangan ilabas talaga si baby. Pwede ko naman siyang i-order online. Kaya lang, feeling ko nga, baka lumabas na to. So, we will buy it today. We're here, Baby Bunting. Check ko lang ulit yung lista ko para sa dadalhin ko. Alright, so just sanitary pads and nipple pads.
Not this one.
Not what? What do you mean not this one? Disposable nappies for babies, singlet, jumpsuit, all good. We have all that. I just need sanitary pads for myself. Do I have some I don't think so. Do I have some at home? No. I'm pretty sure you got rid of it already. Alright. Let's go, Alo. Capsule. And then we're good. Kailangan ko pa pala siyang ilagay sa pram. Kasi kailangan kong dalhin yung pram sa loob para makita nila. Because I'm not gonna buy the Nuna anymore. Mahal kasi yung Nuna. So, iniisip ko, yung mumurahin lang, basta brand new. Kasi 6 months lang naman gagamitin. But it has to fit sa pram namin. May maliliit, oh. Hindi man to capsule. Let's go to the capsule. What do you want? Alright, capsule na tayo dito sa bandang to. Ayan. O, ayan o. Britax. $3.19. Ito mga capsule na to dito. Maxi-Cosi. So, what we had before was Nuna. Nuna Click Plus ata yun. Baby. What's that, Alo? What is that? It's a bug. Alright, let's choose. Alright, so this is what I'm thinking. It's either this or that. Kaya lang that one is up to 6 months only. I-check ko lang kung pwede na yung connectors na meron kami. Kasi bumili ako ng mga ano nito yung mga adapter nito para i-connect sa capsule. Meron na ako nun. Ayoko nang bumili ng bago pa kasi medyo may kataasan din yun. So if that works with this, then we'll get this one. Alright, it was a success. I got my maternity pads. Nag-iisa na lang siya natira dun. It's got 10 maternity pads. So, I should be alright. That will do me. Hindi ko nakita yung nipo pads. Punta tayong Target. Woo! Kasi it's only 11:49 ng umaga and malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Punta lang tayo Target. I just need to buy singlet for baby kasi wala. Actually, hindi ko tiningnan. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi pupunta din naman talaga akong Target. Book week kasi ngayon and sa Friday yung parade nila Ayla. And the only costume na she has, nakasya sa kanya ngayon is yung Elsa. Tapos nasira kasi yung yung sleeve nun. Pwede ko naman siyang ayusin but sabi ni Dan, kung gusto mo pumunta ng Target magtingin-tingin, baka may magustuhan ka. It's up to you. So punta lang kaming Target. Bili din tayo ng ni baby, singlet. Kasi nasa lista siya na kailangan daw dalhin singlet.
I'm so happy. Why are you puppet snakes?
Narinig niyo yung anak ko? I'm so hungry. I want lollipop and snakes. And snakes talaga. Here. Yoye pop.
My snake.
Ha? Big one snake ka dyan. Ito, lollipop. Sa'yo na to. Banana. I have banana. You want big banana? Yeah, big. I'll give you a big banana. Of course you can. This is really good and really big. See? Yeah. Okay, here. Yeah. You want it or no? Ayaw niya. Yung lollipop din. Inopen ko. Ayaw niya din. Oh, sige. Ay, naku. Alright, let's go. So, na-order ko na yung capsule. Nakapag-deposit na din ako. Kukunin namin siya kapag nandito na yung car ko, guys, para diretso na install. Kasi meron sila taga-install dito ng car seat capsule. So, schedule ko siya ng same day na kukunin ko yung car ko para doon na niya ilagay yung capsule para hindi ko na siya dadalhin. Kasi sabi ni Dan kanina, make sure na tutulungan ka nila ilagay sa car yung capsule kasi baka ikaw na naman mag-alsa-alsa niyan. Buti na lang sabi ni ate, pwede mo yung bayaran lang ng deposit para ma-secure yung product mo tapos iwan mo lang dito. That's good. Siya na talaga ang tulog. Okay, I'll get it. Anong meron dito para kay ate? Malamig din kasi. So, ito yung meron siya. Ganito. Elsa. Oh my gosh, ang cute niya dun sa Snow White. For sure, bagay na bagay yan kay Ayla. Wait sa... ito din mermaid. Kasi pwede niya din tong suotin sa Halloween eh. Which one? Oh my gosh, ang ganda nitong Snow White sa kanya, guys. Bagay na bagay yan sa kanya. TK Maxx sana. Mura lang sana sa TK Maxx. Ito, $70 isa. Baby! Nagising ang aking dudu. Hello! Peekaboo!
I did the seatbelt.
You wanna take the seatbelt off? Look, costume for Ate. Oh my gosh, I think Ate's gonna look really beautiful in a Snow White one. Who's that, Alo? Who's that?
It's Iron Man.
It's Iron Man.
What's that?
What's that?
Captain America.
Captain America. That's too big for you, boy. Too big. Sorry.
It's much.
Yeah, yours is not there. It's too big. I got this, guys. But look at this. Look how cute. Ang liit. Tiny baby. Aww, it's so cute. $6 from 8. Meron ding singlet lang dito for tiny baby. Ito naman $8. Wala siya nung sa baba. Okay lang din to, no? Oh my gosh, ang liit. Ang liit. Ang cute. Hello. Nakapag-nap ako, guys. Kasi si Arlo tulog. Time check, 2:50 ng hapon. So, dumaan kami ng bakery kanina. Nakakain kami ni Arlo. Nakapag-lunch kami. And then, pag uwi namin, pinatulog ko siya. Nakatulog din ako. So, thank you, Lord. I feel good. Inubos ko yung bread ko pagkagising ko kasi hindi ko siya naubos. And I'll show you guys what we got from Target. So, I got this. Meron kasi siya, na-realize ko, isa lang pala talaga yung matinong costume niya. Tapos sira-sira pa kasi she loves wearing dresses and costumes on a regular day. So, gamit na gamit din naman. Ang cute nito. Feeling ko lang ang ganda-ganda ni Ayla sa Snow White na dress. So, I got this for her. Susuotin niya to sa Friday. The only thing is, I got it in size 3. So, isukat natin to sa kanya before natin tanggalin yung tag. Tapos yung resibo ko pa, lumipad kanina. Kasi nilagay ko lang siya sa pram, hindi na ako bumili ng bag. And lumipad yung resibo. Mahangin kasi kanina nung naglalakad kami. Hindi ko na nahabol yung resibo. And then, I got singlets for baby. So, I got a 3-pack. Ito, hindi ko na natanggal sa hanger kasi si Arlo ay nagwawala na dun sa... Hindi naman nagwawala, but he was acting up na sa checkout. Natanggal ko yung hanger niyang isa kasi madali lang. Ito yung hindi ko natanggal yung hanger. Because I don't need the hanger eh. Niiwan ko sana yun lagi eh. But, I got a 3-pack of singlet na parang onesie. And I got a 3-pack of just the singlets as well. Ito naman, tiny baby. Ito mga ganito kasi wala ako ng ganitong size. Merong mga singlet pero malalaki na. Kasi nga, I got rid of everything. And then, ito yung nabili natin sa Baby Bunting. And, it's 2:53. I'm not picking up Ayla today because si Sharon na yung magpipick up, guys, starting today. Kasi nga, nakabalik na sila from holiday. So, laking tulong nun sa akin kasi hindi na talaga siya ganun kadali mag-pick up. Kung ako lang siguro nabuntis, tas walang Arlo kayang-kaya, or kung hindi ako buntis, tapos si Arlo lang kayang-kaya. Yeah, kaya lang kapag ganito, na malapit na tayong mga anak, tapos may bata pang hindi mo alam kung kailan mag-throw ng tantrum, hindi na siya ganun kadali. Though I was like doing it before, kasi wala ka namang choice. But now, nandito na sila, and I feel good. Guys, ako ay nasa Target. Kasi ibabalik ko yung costume ni Ayla. Masyado siyang maliit. I mean, kasyang-kasya lang siya sa kanya. Na feeling ko kapag Halloween na hindi na kasya sa kanya. So, I'm returning it. And ang bilis ko nakaalis kasi yung mga bata masaya. Kasama yung mga nila, nana at papi nila. Si Arlo nagising. Ang cute-cute niya. Nakita niya agad si papi. Paborito niya si papi eh. And wala akong resibo kasi nga lumipad kaninang giahak na resibo na yun. Lumipad kasi siya habang tumatawid ako. So, hindi ko na siya mabalikan. Pero, nag-screenshot ako ng, bank transaction. Got it. Got the right size. So, pagpasok ko, pinakita ko lang sa staff na may dala akong damit. Wala akong resibo. They're very nice here. Very good. Hold on. Alis na ako. I got the size 4. Oopsie! Open! Open! Umalis na si Nana. Baka may nakalimutan.
Keys.
Oh!
Keys.
Forgot the keys!
Where's the keys?
Silly puppy!
Where's the keys?
Where's the keys?
Where's the keys to the car?
I love your dress, baby. Yung kanina medyo, masikip.
Hey, look at this.
Who's this?
Who's that, Ayla?
I don't know who's this.
It's owl.
It's not
No,
Arlo.
it's not Arlo. It's
Who is it?
2018. I think that's Eli.
Is that? Oh, that is Eli.
Eli. It's Eli with your dress on. Or nearly. It's Eli.
That's a Snow White dress, ate.
It's Eli.
Aww. We'll send a photo to Eli of your dress now.
Want me to send this to you?
Yeah.
I'll send this to you.
Is that a photo? I'll take a photo of you with that dress on,
Yeah.
ate. It's the same.
the
It's a
same
Snow
one.
White dress.
And that's Eli wearing it.
Silly Eli.
See? See? You've got the right dress on. It's exactly the same.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're going.
Not chocolate.
It's not chocolate, no.
No.
But it's yummy.
It's yummy. It's not chocolate.
It's not chocolate.
It's daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Right there.
Not yet. Not home yet. Where's Daddy?
There.
Working?
There.
Prepare ako ng
I want
dinner.
dinosaur.
Hindi makahintay.
I want dinosaur.
You wanna watch Dinosaur? It's not chocolate. But it's yummy.
It's yummy.
Kumakain pinisig,
Don't
guys.
you it?
Okay, you wanna watch T-Rex?
Not this one.
Not this one? Okay. You want a Halloween one?
Howard.
This one's scary.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Abby. And not now.
$5:59 na ng hapon. Hindi pa nag-reply si Dan. Nag-text ako anong oras siya uuwi. Hindi pa nag-reply. Sumasakit na naman yung tiyan ko, guys. Parang nagko-contract na naman siya. So, lagi na talaga siya sumasakit ngayon. Ala. Hindi ba nasira yung ating bones? Meron akong ano dito. Ano ba to? Parang steak na maninipis. 3 to eh. Ganyan, maninipis. Pero lutuin ko na lahat kasi galing tong freezer. Tapos maya ko na yan sasalang sa air fryer kapag nag-reply na si Daddy. And alam niyo ba, hindi ko pa na asikaso yung aking hospital bag because sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. So, tinatry ko mag-relax muna kami.
Mommy, what is it?
You want more?
Mama.
Alright, wait sa
Yummy.
because your food is almost ready. Baka matupag yung gusto ni Daddy do. Sabi niya, I don't mind an August baby. Kasi sumasakit yung dito ko. Likod ko ang sakit-sakit. Yung kakainin ng mga bata at saka ako is yung leftover na spaghetti namin kahapon. Kasi hindi ko na kayang magluto pa. Upo muna tayo, guys. Sumasakit yung tiyan ko.
I want you.
Ooh, alo boy!
you.
Ganito yung na-feel ko nung last week. Pero yun, mas malala yun kasi sobrang sakit nung dito ko nun eh. Ngayon dito lang yung masakit. Pero kapag umuupo, medyo nawawala. Kaya, sabi ko okay pa. Hindi pa to yung totoong labor. Kasi kapag nagre-relax ako, nawawala. Kailangan ko tumayo kasi kailangan ko i-prepare yung aming pagkain. And yung leftover namin na sauce, na ano ko na din siya guys, na ziplock ko na siya. Para merong, baby.
I want you.
Para hindi na kailangan magluto ng sauce. Huy!
I want you.
It's alright. Dinner's ready. Ayla, dinner's ready, Bob. Is it yummy?
You did it, Mommy.
Huh? Yummy.
I did it, Mommy.
nagko-contract ako, but hindi totoong labor kasi nakakakain pa ako eh.
Baba